Most people see 45% of 120 and reach out for a calculator. But if you know the cheat code, the answer is just 54, and you can find it in under 3 seconds. Today, I'm giving you the mental cheat codes they didn't teach you in school. By the end of this video, you'll be out-calculating. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the bill is $80. You want to leave a 20% tip, but you don't want to pull out your phone to do the math. Here's the secret. Find 10% first. Just move the decimal point one spot to the left. 10% of 80 is 8. Now, just double it. 8 plus 8 is 16. Boom. That's your 20% tip. Does it work for bigger numbers? Yes. What is 20% of 350? Move the decimal point to find 10%. That's 35. Double it? 70. You're done. But what if the number is ugly, like 145? Watch this. 10% is 14.5. Double 14 is 28. Double 0.5 is 1. Add them up. 29. You just did high-level math in your head while everyone else was still typing. Next level, 25%. Don't multiply. Use the quarter rule. 25% is just half of a half. 25% of 48? Half of 48 is 24. Half of 24 is 12. It's literally that easy. Let's try a harder one. 25% of 62. Most people panic here because of the odd number. Half of 62 is 31. Now what's half of 31? Half of 30 is 15. Half of 1 is 0.5. Answer, 15.5. You didn't fail because you don't fear decimals. Now, once you know the 20% trick, 40% is just a double tap. If a total exam score is 600, what's 40% of it? 10% is 60. Double it for 20%, which is 120. Double it again to get 40%. 240. In a competitive exam, you don't have time to multiply by 0.40. Now let's look at a 40% of 850 marks. 10% is 85. Double it to 170. Double it again. 340. You just saved 30 seconds that your competition wasted. What if the number is random? Say 40% of 256. 10% is 25.6. Double it to 51.2. Double it again. 102.4. You're literally doing math at the speed of light. Finally, the pro move, 45%. It looks impossible, but we're going to hack the math. We don't calculate 45. We calculate 50 minus 5. 45% of 180? Step 1. Get 50%. That's just half. Half of 180 is 90. Jump the decimal to find 5%, which is 9.0. Step 3. Subtract. 90 minus 9 is 81. You're a genius. Last one. 45% of 240. Half is 120. 5% is 12. 120 minus 12? 108. You are officially faster than a calculator. Boss level challenge. What is 45% of 60? I'm not giving you the answer. Use the half and subtract rule and drop your answer in the comments. I'll be hearting the first 50 people who get it right. Subscribe if you want to see part 2, where I show you even crazier percentages. See you there.